Got this off eBay. She's in the van. Here's what she comes with. Different kind of bolts and screws. We'll see how those go in. And then the actual seat piece itself. This swivel seat works with ProMasters, Transits, Sprinters, all the above. So we just took that off, and now we're just gonna unclip the negative, wait 15 minutes, and start unscrewing. We're gonna be removing this little toolbox down here. It's for jack lift. So we're gonna take that out. Definitely the scariest part. All of these underneath your seat, you have to remove. And I've given it more than 15 minutes since unplugging the battery. So here's the hope and the airbags don't deploy. Unclip your battery before doing this. All right, so the zip ties have been removed off here. We have the yellow, the orange, and it looks like a black. Whew. A little scary here. So make sure your battery's unplugged. And here we go. And then there's like this little slide. And from there, oh, yes! Oh man. No airbags deploying. It's good stuff. Good stuff. Now I'll do the other one. Yeah, we're gonna get a zip tie cutter. We're gonna cut this one too. It's too difficult with this one here. All right, next step, remove all these star bits right here. Slide the seat up to get to that. As you see, the wiring's down there. Popped it off of that, and let's go. Now we're gonna do the same thing in the front. The T40, for those curious. Didn't need the drill, like I said. Not the handiest guy, but hey, that's why we're out here. We're learning. I want to show you something cool though that I just found out. So down here on the two front access points to these star bits on the seat, I was gonna go and undrill these screws to pop out this plastic covering. But what I found, should have looked before I went to go get the drill, there's a clamp right there. And what you can do is unpop the clamp right underneath the seat, this piece, and then you'll have enough access to unscrew that. Oh man. Got it. Now what to do with it. The seat is successfully removed, which is a big hell yeah. Didn't honestly know if that would happen. About to put on the swivel piece. It's back there. Got the battery away from the terminal. We're about to put it on. Got our first few screws in here going in, putting two back in the back spot where we removed them earlier, two over there, and then two in the front. This thing was a booger to get undone. So you have to pop this over and then slide it from this piece before you can place it to where it needs to be screwed in. Here we go. Try to put it back in. Oh, I need to slide the seat back up. So we're actually gonna start with the front ones. I'm gonna screw in these holes, and then we'll be able to slide it up. Alrighty, so since my phone died, I was not able to record this, but essentially all we did to finish it up was put in these screws with the nuts, the washers, these screws with the nuts and the washers. You slide it up, and after you slide it up, you can spin it around. I'm about to show you what that looks like. And once you pull on this lever and give the seat a gentle tug and a spin, there she is. All done, baby, all done.